Alright guys, so don't mind the play in the background, it's just me watching SRH gaming, but holy dude, look at the size of that. Oh, that might be bigger than my biggest tornado. Oh my god! It's growing! It's growing! Oh! Well, this thing's huge! What's the core? It's a yellow TVS that's the size of the map. Okay, so I'm not gonna get an intercept on this probably, so I can actually get some screenshots of this tornado. But it's freaking huge. I'm getting winds from over here. How far am I? I'm all the way down here. Look, hold up. That's 1.7 miles. Getting debris. How is this not exploding on the velocity? They're all on that tornado. The tiny one over there, but oh, this thing is. This might be my biggest tornado. This might be my record. This might be my biggest tornado. Like my last one was a Hazelton one, but like this is huge. It might be taller in size, but I don't know. It might not be bigger. I don't have any screenshots of my biggest tornado, but it was on a 5.1. This is a 8.2.
Yeah, I know. I said it just expected. It's just
It's getting 30 miles per hour over here. It's expanding. It's expanding.
Oh, I just got 170% on this other one. 180, 200 blocks.
The other one's 200. This one right here. I'm getting winds from right here.
180 because this is on this one, dude. Dude,
2 miles away?
That's definitely a mile.
Okay, well now I'm not, but
that's 100%. Oh, it's like really walking past it. Our flash is in. Door if I had to guess.
dude, that's freaking huge. Duh. This tornado's this might wait. Kind of remember me of something. The tornado that hit here. The tornado that I had was like here to Hazelton. I don't think this one's bigger. It might be. It might be almost equal. This might actually be my biggest tornado. Oh. It's literally just a wall of cloud.
It's still growing. It's still growing.
So I was just chilling though, and I went back to SRH thing because I was watching something real quick. So then I saw it, and it was huge.
Might be a little. Yeah. Dude, I hope this actually does recycle. That thing's gonna be a nuke if it does. Yeah. It's gonna be like.
It's gonna be huge if it recycles. I can't even see it, it's too dark, but holy, I'm getting 26 miles per hour from right here. It is. I am really. Oh no. Oh no. Recycling.
Okay, time to see that track in a second here. I'm gonna intercept this thing. Oh my gosh, 1.5. What? I knew it was gonna be a mile. I didn't think it was gonna be
1.5.
5. What? I guess the high base made it look smaller than it really was. Yeah, well, high.
Can't see my vehicle.
You see the backboard. Yeah, you see where it barreled almost immediately.
Wait, what? Hold on, hold on.
What the heck? Oh, Black Flossy on this one.
Holy sh! Oh yeah, this is my biggest tornado.
I'm just gonna fly
1.5.
and just hope I don't die.
Oh.
I might abandon this one, even though this thing's like pretty strong.
Oh my.
No, I just cannot see. I still see.
Oh.
Yeah. No, the phone takes forever for those things to blow up. Dang it, it might be done, dude. Oh, this thing's like right here. This thing's like strong.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Medina County in north central.
Yes.
National Weather Service satellite radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of and quarter-size hail.
Is it fully done? No way.
It's like a tornado I had like probably a year ago now.
Dang,
In the
bro.
same spot, and kind of the same shifts, and was about the same width, and lifted at the same spot. Did I just miss this thing because I went north? Yeah, that's so annoying. Was not expecting 1.5 at all. No, it just started going crazy out of nowhere.
Quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
I'm gonna compare that to the path I had like about years ago.
Field.
Yeah, I'm working on 13 and 1 to 2.5. I missed. Gosh dang it. I missed it so bad.
That's my biggest tornado. That beat
There
it.
it is. Yeah, it's literally like the same path. What the heck?
That beat my biggest tornado.
Look at that.
That definitely
gosh.
beat it.
Weird. History repeats itself.
Yeah, that 100% beat my biggest tornado.
A good amount of time to always play the Oh no, it's like right here.
Fucking huge, dude. Holy,
Yeah,
bro.
I see how the distance from a headlight.
Dude, no, there's no damage thing, so we're fine, but because there's no damage things because this wasn't. This was like EF3.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this one now. It's
Really?
fluctuating a lot. I'm just gonna
So
get
it started
that
as
one.
this, and then it started getting bigger, and then
Straight up to a 1.2
just
maybe.
growing twice its size,
Yeah.
right, like past.
What is
From here
going
to
on
there.
right now? We still get a mile and a half to do.
Twice, almost 2 mile wide tornado.
Doing those weird fluctuation things. Glitching out like that.
Wow.
Okay.
Wait.
I don't wish something recycled.
This one was 200. Wait. I think it's this one. This one was 200 plus. This one cycled down there. These are twins. Dang, bro. If it.
Let me go check general chat.
Imagine if it was pink TBS. What would.
Okay, what is this new one doing? New one with red. I'm gonna stay ahead of this. I wish I could clean whatever is stuck on the display screen. My laptop screen is just dirty right now. Time to add that to the low RH barrels. Yeah, that's not really. It wasn't really the lowest of RH, but I usually count anything under.
Bro, if it would have been
60% and it was
pink,
just-
oh, we'd be all doomed.
For 75 for the series.
it'd be like 300 plus. That would be my record. 300, like 300 plus. Holy, that was crazy. I got so many screenshots on that. Alright, well, see y'all on the next one, and have a good day. Goodbye.